Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2019 Audi Q3 S Line. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 37 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 24 and this is a two-owner vehicle, having covered just over 41,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is the Metallic Daytona Grey and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you have the nice clean interior, and being the S Line, you also get the sports seats there, which are half leather on the outer edge. And there's an armrest and two cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your large multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then a few other features I can mention. The car has the cruise control just down there on the left hand side of the steering wheel, climate control, automatic headlights and wipers, the smart looking virtual cockpit, and finally on the driver's door card you have your electric folding mirror and full window controls, and just below that you've also got the electric tailgate button as well. Being an SUV, you have a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back, ideal for getting children in and out of car seats, for example. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own air vents there in the centre, and it's good to see the car's got the original carpet floor mats from Audi too. Opening the tailgate, which like I mentioned is electric, to reveal a really good sized boot there with the rear seats that can be split, the parcel shelf that's still in place, and then underneath the boot floor, which is adjustable in height, you've got some extra storage there, and you've also got the tyre inflator kit just below. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, front and rear parking sensors, and the 19-inch alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.